Crazy for vegan eggplant, discover 3 must-try no-fry recipes. Have you ever met a vegetable that can drive everyone crazy? Let's take these beauties and transform them into 3 mouth-watering recipes without frying. Today, we're about to embark on an eggplant adventure that's not just delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. Ready to go crazy with me? Meet the eggplant. Welcome back to the unseen flavors. If you thought eggplants were just for Baba Ganesh, think again. These purple wonders can steal the show in so many dishes. Today, I'll be sharing 3 fantastic recipes that are simple to make and will leave your friends asking for more. So, grab your aprons and let's get our hands dirty with some delicious eggplant magic. And if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Cheesy stuffed eggplants. Let's kick things off with cheesy stuffed eggplants. We'll start with 2 beautiful eggplants. Give them a good wash and cut them in half lengthwise. Now, grab a teaspoon and scoop out the insides gently, creating little boats for our stuffing. Think of it like giving them a little spa treatment. Next, let's sprinkle a little salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, and dried garlic on the insides. This will really amp up the flavor. Drizzle some vegetable oil on the eggplant halves and rub it all around, ensuring they're nicely coated. Now it's time for the stuffing. Chop up 1 juicy tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, and mix them with the scooped out eggplant centers in a bowl. Add in a sprig of fresh parsley for that pop of color and flavor, plus 70 grams of your favorite cheese because cheese makes everything better. To keep things creamy, stir in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or sour cream. Trust me, you won't regret it. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika for that smoky kick. Line a baking dish with parchment paper and place those gorgeous stuffed eggplants in there. Top each eggplant with the tomato mixture, a little more cheese, and a sprinkle of herbs for good measure. Now, pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be nothing short of heavenly. Baked eggplants with tomato paste up next. We have baked eggplants with tomato paste. Again, we'll take 2 eggplants. This time, sprinkle a tablespoon of salt over them and let them sit for about 10 minutes. This little trick helps remove any bitterness, ensuring they taste as sweet as can be. While we wait, chop up a clove of garlic and grab a sprig of parsley. We'll mix these in a bowl with salt, Italian herbs, smoked paprika, and ground black pepper. After 10 minutes, pat the eggplants dry with napkins to remove excess moisture. We want them to roast nicely, not steam. Grease a baking dish with vegetable oil and place the eggplants inside, making small incisions on top. This allows them to absorb all those delicious flavors. Now, let's bake them at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes until they're tender and fragrant. In the meantime, let's prepare our sauce. Mix 150 grams of tomato paste with salt, dried basil, smoked paprika, and ground black pepper, and spread it evenly over the baked eggplants. Top everything with 100 grams of cheese and a sprinkle of breadcrumbs for that perfect crunchy finish. Bake for another 10 minutes and get ready to indulge in something absolutely scrumptious. So delicious. You won't want to share these. Eggplant delight. Lastly, Let's whip up an eggplant delight. For our final dish, take 2 eggplants and 2 cloves of garlic. Sprinkle a little salt, smoked paprika, Italian herbs, and ground black pepper to bring out the flavors. Once again, grease some parchment paper with vegetable oil, and let's bake the eggplants at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. While that's baking, prepare 1 bell pepper, 1 tomato, and 80 grams of cheese. Also, grab a sprig of parsley, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise or sour cream to mix in for extra creaminess. Combine everything together in a bowl and get ready to bring your baked eggplants to life. Pure eggplant delight. Top the baked eggplants with this mixture and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for another 20 minutes. The results? Share this video with your friends and cook it yourself. And there you have it, 3 fabulous eggplant recipes that will make you the star of your next dinner party. Who knew eggplants could be this versatile and mouth-watering? If you love these recipes, don't forget to check out my other video titled Eggplants, the star of vegan cooking, for more delicious inspiration. Thanks for joining me today on the Unseen Flavors. If you enjoyed these recipes, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy cooking, and see you next time.